Verse 5. No man shall be able to stand before you all the days of your life. As I was with Moses, so I will be with you. I will not leave you nor forsake you.
That says the Lord. In every time of challenge, remember His words. That's what He has said. And He will honor His word. I'll say this one before me to end the microphones. Hold it. Every spiritual work must go to three phases. As the life of Jesus. He was born. He was dead. He was resurrected. Now every genuine vision must go through this three steps. The vision is born when everybody is excited. After what we have done tonight, everybody can be excited. Our change. But there will be a time the vision will die. It's where you can find yourself 2, 3. You see like these things is not working. I like it in Zulu. These things is not working. Aisebenzi lento. When that time show up, focus in the future, the resurrection. When the vision is resurrected, is the time where people will fight for positions. Everyone will like you. Will not need ushers. You see me as I'm walking here. This guy, I don't call them. They are there carrying the Bible. Sometimes I feel embarrassed, but sometimes they want to carry it. I didn't call them. I didn't tell them to do that. That's what happened when the resurrection takes place. Everybody would like to be the hand right or the left right, or to be close with you. The vision is born. The vision will die. And the vision will resurrect it. That's the true visions of the Lord. If you stand this time, when the time of glory comes, people will look for you. May the Lord God bless you.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Give the Lord a big hand of praise.